Hello everyone. Today, we will bring you the installation guide for Dazuma's modern extendable vanity. Before installation, make sure the power to the installation area is completely. Product list: 1 accessory pack, long screws and screw anchors, and 1 modern extendable vanity light. Step 1. Remove the 2 securing screws on one side of the product that hold the mounting plate in place. Then remove the mounting plate. Step 2. Place the mounting plate on the wall where you plan to install the product. Mark the positions and drill the holes. Step 3. Align the 2 holes on the mounting plate with the drilled holes on the wall and attach it. Then install the 2 long screws from the accessory pack. Step 4. Connect the product power wires to your wire connector. The blue product power wire connects to your white neutral wire. The brown product power wire connects to your black live wire. The yellow-green product ground wire connects to your copper ground wire. Step 5. Attach the product to the mounting plate. Align the 2 holes on the side of the product with the 2 holes on the top of the mounting plate. Then reinstall the 2 securing screws removed in step. You can freely adjust the lighting angle of the light bar to achieve the desired illumination direction. After loosening the 2 securing tubes as demonstrated in the video, you can freely adjust the extension length of the lighting system. After making the adjustment, we recommend tightening the 2 securing tubes to keep the lighting system. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.